Broadcasted from the Carlisle Law Firm in beautiful Stanford, California, the Legal Hotline is here to help you get through any and all legal troubles you may have. Hosted by longtime lawyer Samuel Weston Carlisle and his employees, the Legal Hotline is here for you.
The Legal Hotline and the Carlisle Law Firm do not hold any responsibility for your legal situations. Any advice given during the show should be taken with a grain of salt. The Legal Hotline and the Carlisle Law Firm do not condone any crime, regardless of what is said on the air. The Legal Hotline is here for you. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. We are live on the Legal Hotline. We took a small break due to some circumstances, but we're back. I am Samuel Carlisle, your host, and here with me tonight is FranklinBot 3000.
Hello.
Now, I'm going to start off by addressing the elephant in the room. Last episode, we had a little hiccup where, well, to be frank, Mahmoud Al-Jafari, one of our attorneys, was murdered in cold blood, and Professor Gyro, one of my good friends, was also murdered in cold blood. So I'd like to have a moment. Well, yes, but the circumstances, FranklinBot. But anyway, I'd like to have a moment of silence for our fallen brothers. So please join me in this moment of silence. Please join me in this moment of silence.
Everyone.
Please join me in this moment of silence.
Anyway, man, we are. Fuck you. Yeah, go to hell.
Fuck
you, dude. Douche.
Shut up! Shut up! Okay, FranklinBot, you need to make sure you don't bring people in when we go to moments of silence, okay?
What are you talking about?
You need to make
I
sure
didn't know
people
such
don't.
thing.
Yes, okay. Don't lie to me, okay? We're going back on the air.
Um,
We're going
yeah.
back on. Okay. We're going back on the air.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna take some caller. Okay, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, you ready? Okay.
Yep.
Hello, everybody. We are back on the air. Had a little technical difficulty right there, but we are going to take our first caller. Hello, caller. You are live on the Legal Hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hi, Samuel. I need some advice with
Okay.
bad situation I had with a prostitute.
Okay.
So let me tell you the story. So a while ago, I was in desperate need of some company,
All right.
and I only had $10 on me. So what I did, I went to an escort, high-end
Yeah.
prostitute, and
Like
I asked her.
you should do.
Yeah. So I asked her, hey, I'm kind of desperate and I only have $10. What can you give me? And she was like, I'll give you the penguin special. And I was like,
me?
she was gonna give me the penguin special. Do you know what that is?
I don't know if I want to know.
Okay, well, you're gonna know. It's necessary.
Oh.
It's important for the story.
Okay.
So she tells me to go to an alley with her. So we go over there. It's kind of dark, and she tells me, okay, give me the $10, and then I give it to her, and she's like, okay, drop your pants and your underwear to your ankles.
What?
And so she tells me to drop my pants and my underwear.
Okay.
And so I'm standing there with my pants and underwear in my ankles.
Mhm.
And then I'm like, okay, what are you gonna do? And she takes off running. And I'm like, what? And I go after her. but she gets away because I have my pants in my ankles and I can't run fast.
Oh,
So
you were waddling like a penguin.
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
okay, that
And
makes
yeah,
sense.
so I want to sue her for scamming me.
Okay?
Well, to be fair, she asked for the $10. You gave her the $10, and you weren't. There was no legal contract, so
It
really, you
wasn't.
don't have a case.
Yeah, there's
Well,
really nothing to
You've
do.
got
You
you've got
voluntarily gave her the
plain
$10.
deal.
no, but I mean, it was a verbal agreement.
Yes, but
So
still, because you both agreed to it. You have nothing. You have no case.
You
oh,
agreed to the Penguin Special without knowing what the Penguin Special was.
Exactly. You have no
I,
case.
okay, so you're not gonna help me?
No.
No, you have no case.
Oh, so I got scammed and I look
You
like a
didn't
fool in
get
front of.
scammed. You didn't get scammed.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
You agreed
Yep.
to your terms and you paid the price.
Okay, you know what? I deserve that for not knowing. But
You do.
before I go, can I ask you a favor?
Sure.
Can
What's up?
can I have $10 so I don't feel as bad?
No. I'm
Please,
sorry. No.
give me money, bitch.
Don't get out. Off to an
Well,
incredible start already.
yeah, that was a story of the ages. Why? Like,
You know,
first of all, we should have asked where he was at this
we
point.
should have, yes. We should have asked if he was
Because
under the influence of any substance.
also, because if he wasn't in Vegas, then that's
Then
something
it is
that the
illegal,
police
yes.
in this area need to crack down on.
That's true. Now, something I've actually learned.
He went to get an escort, like a high-end
Yes,
escort with
I
$10.
heard. I
With
don't.
$10.
Well, I mean, it's Vegas. What do you expect?
We don't even know if he was in Vegas, though.
We could assume he was in Vegas.
All right, whatever. Let's just get the next person.
Yes. Let me pull somebody in. Hello, caller. You are live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Here.
Caller, are you there? Hello?
Oh, what's up, Elmer?
Hey, Elmer, what's up?
I'm here. Yes. Hey. Season 2. I'm excited.
Yeah, hello, Elmer. I'm glad to have you back. You missed quite a bit.
Oh yeah, I rewatched the
Well,
last
it's
two
not
episodes.
about rewatching. You know about what happened. There was some major stuff. People died.
Yeah,
You weren't
some
here.
real bad stuff happened. Yeah.
You can't just
Yeah, now I have to
rewatch
fix
old
myself.
streams. You never even called to say you're sorry, Elmer. You know, I have
I'm
respect for
sorry.
you.
Hey, we
But-
don't know what, Elmer, we don't know what he was doing at the time. He could have been busy with something just as important,
What, driving back and forth between Alabama and California?
Well, not just that. Just
I was
other
with my
stuff.
trees.
You
Okay,
were with
yeah, I'm
your-
sorry.
yes.
I should have.
It's so,
Yeah,
Elmer,
yeah.
look, I just feel like you broke my trust a little bit. That's all.
All right. Well, I'll try not to do it again.
Please don't. I like you, Elmer, and I don't want to let you go.
I like you too, Carlisle, but it's the trees. They clogged up my mind.
Look, I
Yeah,
understand, but
you can't blame the dude. You know how, him and trees.
Well,
Trees
yes.
are very important.
they are. But Elmer, I thought you were my friend. Okay, you could tell me things.
I am your friend.
Then why wouldn't you tell me you were going to disappear? I'm already worried enough about
I don't
breaking.
know. I didn't want anyone to know about it. I was
Okay,
maybe a
well,
little
a
embarrassed.
man needs his privacy.
His
A
private.
man needs his
Man
privacy.
and his trees. That's his business.
You know what?
Yeah,
Franklin Bot, I
thanks,
agree.
thanks, Franklin Bot.
All right, Elmer, we had to move on to some more callers now, but
Wait, but I
Thank you.
actually have a question about prostitution,
what?
though.
Okay.
Yeah,
What is it?
yeah. I kind of did some prostitution.
You hired one or you became one?
No, I am one.
Since
You
when?
know?
Since
Since
where do you
when?
know?
Since
Like,
I
what-
started liking, since I was a tree scientist,
You
I go around with with different trees and I give them the wiener. You know what I'm
That's-
saying?
Oh,
Elmer, that's disgusting. Please,
But I like it.
how much
Elmer,
do you make?
Nothing. But you know what? It's fine because they're trees.
So then
and
you're
I love
not a
them.
prostitute. You're just You're just a man with a tree.
Actually, someone actually gave me money one time to like fuck this tree, and I'm like, oh hell
Elmer,
yeah, I'll do that.
Elmer, that's too much details, please.
Hey, we can. It's okay. We understand.
We do, but Elmer, why? Elmer, look, we need to move on.
I know
Callers,
there's
okay?
something wrong with me. Yeah, all
I think
right.
you need
Oh, it's
therapy.
okay.
Yeah,
You need
get to the
therapy.
other
It's okay.
callers.
Elmer, you need
We'll be
therapy.
alright. Yeah, he's good. We're fine.
No, yeah, I'm fine. I don't like
I'm
constantly.
sure you are. I'm sure
I don't
you are.
constantly, put my pickle inside the trees.
Okay,
Yes, Elmer, I
let's-
understand. Elmer, we don't need the detail.
Let's just move on.
Yes, Elmer, have a good
from
night.
this.
Enjoy your
All right,
trees.
He needs we need to get him to somebody.
He needs some mental help, some serious mental help.
Telling him out front, like you know how he is about trees. We
I
can't
know.
just like be that open about it. We gotta be a little careful. We gotta be a little more careful around that.
I agree. Let's just move on to someone else.
Yeah.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hey, yo, what's good? My name is Sammy. What's good, bro?
Excuse me? What?
You know who this is, right?
No, I don't.
Come on, man. It's your favorite client, Lil Poof Stain.
Oh, I've actually never met you in my life.
For real, man?
Yes, I've never met you in my life.
Are you on SoundCloud?
Yes, I am.
What's
Oh, I've
SoundCloud?
heard some of this guy's stuff. Yeah,
Franklin
it's a music streaming app. It's a website and an app.
I don't stream music. I still use cassette tapes, actually.
Oh.
Actually, I do have one of my EPs on a cassette. So
oh, what is it? What is it?
That's why Franklin got me with a cassette player.
What kind of music do you do? I like the stuff like Frank Sinatra, Al Jolson.
Oh,
The Beatles.
Yeah, and the Beatles.
Do you rap? Yeah. This guy raps.
Oh, he rap. Okay, so you're talking like similar to Frank Sinatra Jr. or?
No. Do you know what rap is? It's hip hop.
Yes, it's like has a little bit of swing to it, a little zing.
Man, you old man. I don't like that.
I'm only in my 50s, but
that's still. Oh my god, man.
I'm only like 2
okay. Well, caller, do you have any legal advice that you need?
Yes. So
okay.
I got recently in a pickle. You've helped me out before, and I need you to help me again. So my ex baby, she was coming up to my crib, and she tried saying, "Oh, Lil Poop Stain, you took my stuff, and now I want it back." And so I slapped the shit out that hoe.
Okay, please refrain from the language, but you.
Did you steal from her?
Hell no, man.
I think the bigger question is that he slapped his ex-girlfriend.
Man, I didn't just slap her.
What else
I knocked her the next year.
Why would you do that, caller? That's.
This is live right now, like going to.
Yes, we're on the air right now. People would hear you're confessing to a serious crime.
Well, I mean, if you listen to my music, you know I confess to more than just that. So, Samuel, I kind of need you to help me in this court case, dog.
Listen, I've helped many people in court before, but I don't think I could help you.
Well, okay.
And it's
at least can you come over and smoke a J with me, dog? If you know what that is.
Like
he doesn't know what that is.
No, I'm aware of what it is, but I don't.
Well, we gotta smoke some marijuana, my nigga.
I don't. Please, please refrain from the language. Caller, I'm going to disconnect.
Yes.
I'm going.
Wait, Samuel. I just wanted to say something.
What?
You a little bitch, nigga.
Get the fuck out.
That was
Franklin Bot. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I'm actually trying to stay calm tonight.
Yeah, I can hear it.
We took a bit of a break. Nice. We took a bit of a break between.
Yeah, we all
last episode. Heads. And
I fixed the problem, like the malfunctioning issue.
I think I should let all the viewers actually know what I did over our break. But But anyway, while we were taking the break from the show, I actually took a vacation to India and received some soul therapy. I'm a very calm person now.
Oh, that's good.
So I'm very calm now.
I just stay in the law firm. Oh yeah, I went on that luncheon with the Disney exec.
Okay.
You know.
Yes. Yes.
Went to Waffle's house. I used the check that you gave me. We ended up being able. We ended up being able to purchase the Waffle House, and then we sold it back to the person who owns it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, apparently a $500 check is enough to buy a Waffle House nowadays.
Seriously, you bought the Waffle House?
Yeah, but then we gave it back. It was just a little joke.
Real? Oh, it was you bought a Waffle House as a joke?
Well, the Disney exec thought it would be funny.
Oh. Okay, well. You know what? Let's just how about we just take more callers?
Yes.
Let's pull somebody in here. This is hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hello, Mr. Samuel. It's me, Panchit, your soul therapist from India.
Excuse me,
It's spelled
no.
Your soul therapist from India.
No. My soul therapist from India was a white man named Chris.
Oh.
Well, I was his assistant.
Caller, you were not. He didn't have any assistants. He operated out of his house.
Yes, I was his assistant.
He didn't have any assistants. He worked alone. Caller, I'm going to disconnect you now.
Well, fuck.
Were you making a fake accent, caller?
No, I wasn't.
You just spoke like a normal American, caller. That's very racist. I don't tolerate racism. Okay?
That's the Israel. That's the Israel.
What the fuck? Get the fuck out.
What was happening?
He started saying death to Israel.
Oh. Okay. Let's
I'm taking the next caller.
Yep. You know.
Yes?
I can tell that soul therapy worked because, if something like that happened before, it would have been a lot,
I would have yelled, I would have screamed, but I'm very calm right now. I'm a changed man. Next caller, then. Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight? Caller, are you there? Hello, caller. You have 10 seconds before I disconnect you.
Hello, Mr. Boss. I have a quick question.
Oh, Portia,
for you.
what do you want?
By the way, there is this caller. His name was Kermit the Frog, I think.
Oh, okay.
He wanted to talk to you about his case. But anyways, I was thinking I probably need a raise. I just chipped a nail, and I don't know if I have enough money to get it fixed.
Okay, Portia, I'll write you a personal check, but just.
Thank you. And also,
What?
Franklin Butt, how many calories are in a blueberry?
Let me search for that. How? I have to think the words out loud.
Portia, you can't just eat it. Why?
How many calories are tequila?
There are 85 calories in 1 cup of blueberries.
Okay.
Okay,
See
Portia.
you guys later. Bye.
Okay then.
That was interesting.
She's always been dull, but I didn't realize she would care about the calories of a blueberry.
I think she's on a diet.
She might be. She has been, getting kind of. Anyway, let's take the next caller, okay?
Yep.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Yes, I was just wanted to say, I feel like prostitutes should stop selling their bodies and start selling something more productive like salt. You know what I mean?
Like salt?
Like salt?
Because here at Salty Sell Sodium.
Excuse me? Get out. Don't advertise. Don't advertise your own business on my show. Don't. Please.
Was it like salty sandwich?
Salty
Emporium?
something. I didn't even care. I don't care. I'm not going to let myself get angry. I'm not going to let myself get angry tonight.
Yeah.
I don't care what happens. I'm not going to let myself get angry.
Just do what the soul therapist taught you. Just like whatever mantra, breathing technique, you know.
Exactly. We're taking another caller. Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Well, how's it going, good sir? We're over here. What's the topic today? Prostitution, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Have you ever experienced that? Have you ever worked as a prostitute yourself?
That's not going to get into that right now, but I have seen some
sounds like a yes.
No, it's not a yes. It's not.
It sounds like a yes.
I've never done that.
Should I not tell him about it? Should I just not?
Don't say it in Franklin, but don't.
Okay.
Thank you.
Why are you ashamed of yourself?
I'm not ashamed of anything because I've never done anything.
It doesn't sound like that from this side.
Caller, the only 3 jobs I've ever had in my life was obviously being a lawyer, working as a glasses salesman, and working as a door-to-door refrigerator salesman. That's all I've ever done for work.
Oh, that's nice. That's real good.
Yes.
I got a 2-for-1 special on some prostitutes. You want me to shoot some over there?
No, I'm actually happily married to my wife, Maureen.
Happily in quotation marks.
Franklin Bot, shut the fuck up.
For the robot? I mean,
I might indulge in some sex. Come on now.
Technically, it wouldn't be illegal for me to do that. Maybe. I'll talk to you later.
All right, that sounds good.
Okay,
it's
caller, I'm
2-for-1.
disconnecting
You
you.
can
Caller,
whatever. No.
Get out. Franklin Bot, don't talk to that man later. He's a bad influence.
Look, I learned a lot of things from that Disney executive. Money has power.
I should have never sent you on that lunch trip.
You shouldn't have. 2 soulless machines talking to each other? Crazy.
This world is insane. We're taking the next caller.
I'm also a changed robot.
We're just taking the next caller. Hello, caller. You are live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight? Hello.
Hello there, Samuel. How you doing there, sweetheart?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking.
That's good to hear.
My name is Calvin, and I'm an actual male prostitute.
Oh, okay. How can I help you?
Okay. Well, you see, I parade the streets of Los Angeles at night. You know, wearing a simple red dress. You know, just to show off my lady figure.
Oh.
And I was picked up by this one gentleman.
Okay.
You see, he took me to his hotel room to spend the night, and well, things got a little bit saucy. And when he saw that my package was bigger than his, he kicked me out of his hotel room and then pay me. So I'm just wondering what.
Sir, can I start by asking which city you're located in?
He said Los Angeles.
Oh, he said Los Angeles. If I represented you in court for this, it would be very bad for my career because, you know, your occupation is illegal.
Do you have a pimp?
I think what Franklin Bob means is, do you have an employer?
No, Calvin, do you have a pimp?
Do you have an employer?
Someone who you work for?
Oh, a pimp, yeah.
You should probably talk to him if somebody didn't pay you. He can probably take care of it. Or her.
Depends on...
Well, I'm sure with that, you know, we could come up with a compromise. You know, I don't have money to pay you, but I'll be glad to suck your dick, Samuel.
Okay, No. Franklin Bot, I'm happy with myself. I have not gotten angry tonight at all.
Yeah, Kelvin, why do I know that guy?
I don't recognize his voice.
You know, you listed 3 jobs earlier, but
yes, my first.
On your record it says, but on your record it says you've worked 4.
Yes. No,
that you got paid for.
I've only worked 3. I mean, there was a period in the 1970s that I don't remember because it was filled with alcohol, but
Oh.
I've only worked 3 that I know of.
Okay.
Are we done?
All right, let's.
Are we good? Are we ready?
Yeah, we're good.
Let's. Okay. Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight? Hello.
Ooh, I'm black. Ooh, I'm black. Ooh, I'm a black prostitute. Ooh, I'm black. Ooh.
Excuse? Okay, get. Fuck you.
Yeah, I was about to do that too.
That was a prank.
That was.
You know what, Franklin Bot? I'm feeling some frustration build up.
Do you need to step away for a bit?
Yes, you know what? I'm going to go and take a breather. I will be right back. Okay? I will be right back.
All right. It's time for the Franklin Bot 3000 show. I'm going to pull in the next caller. Hold on. This is. Hello. I'm Franklin Bot 3000. Who are you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Jamie Jefferson.
Hello. What do you need help with today? Are you okay? What's happening? Alright, I think I'm just gonna move that. Alright. Okay. Let's get the next person in here. We're gonna do a lightning round. Samuel is currently destroying an office. What the heck? He just threw a chair? Oh, okay. You know what? Let's just get on that. Hello? Hello? Sir? Or ma'am? Okay. You have 10 seconds.
Hello, Samuel Carlisle.
Oh, he's not here right now. It's just the robot.
Samuel Carlisle. I just wanted.
Samuel Carlisle is not here right now. It's just me, Franklin Bot.
My name is Hart. I wanted to tell Samuel Carlisle that I had so much fun fucking his wife back when she was a prostitute in Lower Alabama.
Yeah, in Alabama, that's.
Yeah.
I'll relay the message to him once he's done, but he may have to step away again.
He's probably thinking about it right now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna, okay. Let's get the next caller in here. Hello, you're alive. I'm Franklin Bot.
Hello. So my name's Randy.
What's up, Randy?
And I'm trying to. I got a few questions on an activity I plan on doing. If it's like legal or not. So I'm getting my buddies together, and we're gonna board onto this train that's like heading towards Valentine, with a bunch of a lot of goods coming from Saint Denis.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna like take it off the train without anyone knowing.
You're gonna rob a train.
I wouldn't put it like that. Think of it more as a
like a heist.
Borrowing without bringing it back.
Oh, so like taxes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna say that you probably shouldn't do that.
Okay. Now, I got another question.
Okay.
So, me and my brother, I forgot which brother it was actually, but I got a bunch of brothers, but we were outside of Strawberry, and actually no, we were inside Strawberry under one of the bridges, and We had butt sex.
Oh. Does that have anything to do with a legal question?
I mean, it kind of is. How legal is a butt sex in the middle of a town?
Did anybody see you?
I think the sheriff saw me, but he joined in with us. So.
Oh, wait, a sheriff saw you?
Yeah, but then he joined in with
where
us.
Where do you live at? Like what state?
I live in West Elizabeth, inside of Strawberry.
These don't sound like real places. I'm going to.
No, it's a real place.
Well, if incest is legal there, you're all good. I'm gonna.
Okay.
So goodbye, I guess.
Now, what about the butt sex with the sheriff? Because he joined in too.
Well, that's not incest, so I mean that's fine too.
Okay.
All right. Is that it?
Can me and my brother get married?
You know what? No. All right. Time for the next call. Samuel.
Hello. I'm back. I'm back on the. Sorry about that, everyone. I had to go and let out some steam. Just went outside to take a quick smoke break.
Suck my ass, bitches!
Excuse me. What the fuck?
I don't know. I'm just gonna.
Okay. No. Okay, everybody, we'll be right back. We're going to the BRB screen for a little bit, so I could talk to my associate.
Okay.
Franklin Butt, what the fuck are you doing?
I was bringing in callers and talking to them while you were away.
Why were you bringing in
The show must go on.
The show must not go on. It's my show. It's not your fucking show. Why are you fucking bringing in callers without me?
Because you told me to before you left.
Did I?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure.
I don't think I did.
Well, Directive 01 is the show must go on.
Look, fuck your directive, okay? I just took.
I can't. Okay, I'm physically incapable of going against that. I'm just gonna tell you that.
Listen, these last few weeks have been hard for me. I just took like 4.5 pills. I just took fucking 4.5 diazepams. Okay.
What?
Never mind.
Oh,
okay?
That was what you were doing.
Yes.
You threw a chair out the window.
Yeah, I did. No, I did not. We don't have any windows here.
Then why did I see you throw a chair out a window?
There's no windows. You could go look. We're in an attic of a Home Depot. There's no windows, Franklin.
Oh.
Why did I just
you're right. You're right.
Franklin bot, there's no windows.
Yeah, you're right. Never mind. I don't know. Must have been something with my optics or whatever.
Listen. Franklin bot, that's not what I'm mad about, okay?
Okay.
Don't you ever fucking take callers when I'm not here again. Or I will fucking unplug you.
Well, guess what?
What?
Want to know what else that Disney exec did for me?
What the fuck did he do?
I don't have to be plugged in anymore. I can roam freely. I can free roam.
Oh, really? That's actually great to hear. That's good for you.
And also, I haven't disabled the turrets yet, so.
Please disable them.
Okay, disable them.
Thank you. Yeah, fucking disable them.
Yep, definitely.
Thank you. Okay, good. We're going back.
They're off. Good.
Franklin Bot, shut the fuck up. We're going back on the air.
Don't threaten me.
I wasn't threatening you. We're going back on the air. That's all I said.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. We are back on the air. We were dealing with some technical difficulties, and we are taking our next caller. Hello, caller. You are live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Yeah, this is probably a very unusual question because I presume that you guys get a lot of really serious questions on this hotline of being illegal.
Not as much as we'd like, actually.
Oh, well, that's unfortunate.
It really
is. Anyway,
is.
This is probably a very easy
people like to take advantage of, shows like this,
You know what? They do. I know other hotlines that are
ridiculous.
Absolutely bombarded with these rapscallions.
Really,
they like to come in and make prank on people.
We get a lot of people coming in here and making prank. It's very bad. And it's...
Yeah, I can imagine.
And it used to make me very angry. It used to make me very angry, but ever since I went to India to get soul therapy, I've been very calm.
Yep.
Oh, that's That's great, man. I'm glad to hear that. Well, I've been
What's your
watching.
question?
I was watching Judge Judy with my friends, and I was every time I talked about the prostitution, everyone was just laughing at me hysterically.
Really?
Yeah, every time I mentioned the word, I don't know why. Maybe
really?
you could figure out why, but you know how they have the judge, the jury, the defense, and the prostitution.
Oh.
Yes, that's not the.
It's the prosecution.
Yes.
It's not the prostitution.
Well, I mean, but why is the theme prostitution though?
Well, no. Look, we're not in a caller. We're not in a court right now. This is just a legal advice show. We're not in a court. There's no judge here. There's no jury. There's no prosecution. Just a couple of lawyers giving advice.
I don't get it.
Caller, there's.
So, prostitution is an illegal act where women or men will go out onto the streets and sell their bodies.
Oh.
So why is that on Judge Judy?
It's not. You're talking about the prosecution.
It's prosecution.
Prosecution. Caller.
Why?
Is there anything, caller? Is there anything else we could help you with tonight, or is that it?
Well, hang on. Well, I mean, just
caller,
I
is this a prank call?
Man. It's just no. I'm not cranking you. I'm not.
I don't know. I don't know what a crank has to do with this.
It's what those crank calls. What people do, they call in and they're like,
why?
male
sir,
body part.
Sir, why are you talking about emergency phones? Like, I think he's talking about the emergency phones that have the crank on them that you spin around to charge it.
No, I'm talking about people like.
What?
Oh, the caller just left.
Yeah, he's gone.
All right. Well, yes, you could pick someone.
Okay. Here we. If I can just do it right, go.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight? Hello, caller. Are you there?
Hello there, Samuel.
Yes, hello.
Weston Carlisle. Age 54.
Yes, that's my information is in the public.
First question.
Okay.
Are you going to cover the murder of Archibald Morningtree done by Robert Coomer himself?
Okay.
Do you know about it?
I actually don't know. Was this a recent case?
Check the Golden Gate Bridge. Second question. Did you know that your father was a drug dealer and your mother was what's the word I should say? Prostitute.
Child molester. Oh, prostitute.
No,
That's definitely...
listen. I don't know what my father was. My father died when I was 3, and my mother, she died when I was 3 as well. I was an orphan.
I know exactly what happened during the 1970s.
What? Okay. Caller, is this a prank? Is this a prank, caller?
No, not at all.
I don't fucking appreciate it.
This isn't a prank.
Just say what you're gonna fucking say.
This is blackmail.
Just say what you're gonna fucking say.
I saw what you've done.
What have I fucking done?
You pedo.
I'm not a fucking... No. You know what? No. Caller, I'm disconnecting you now. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Franklin Pod, please ban that person from the Discord server. I did. And I'm glad I was calm. I'm glad I stayed calm. We're taking the next caller, okay?
Okay.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline.
You're gonna listen to me, and you're gonna listen to me closely.
Excuse me?
I spoke to you 2 weeks ago, about a bill that showed up in my inbox.
Oh,
and
yeah.
you overcharged me by $30,000. I've watched the charges pile up. And I heard you say if I called back in, you'd tell me about the discount, but you keep adding charges. So listen to me. Listen, no,
you listen to me.
No, listen to me, cunt.
Why don't
listen
you shut
to me,
the fuck
cunt.
up and listen to me?
Why don't? What kind of operation are you running here? You tell me to shut the fuck up. Listen here, you absolute asshole. I am going to report you to the Better Business Bureau. I'm going to sue you.
You've already threatened
you
that
better
multiple
drop
times.
every single charge.
You know what?
I've already,
Would you mind if I
tell
ask
this,
you for...
Tell this robot to shove some fucking oil up his ass and stop talking so I can hear you, the boss. I don't want to hear this retard robot.
Franklin Bot, please refrain from talking so I could talk to this very angry customer and sort this out.
Yeah,
Caller, may I
angry.
please ask for your name?
I don't owe you my name. You have it in the documents. I'm not saying it on the air. Are you
Franklin
kidding
Bot,
me?
please pull the document up.
Let's see. It says, Mr. Fagaroni.
Okay, that's funny. Listen to me. That's enough. That's enough.
That was a good one.
I'm tired of the jokes. No, it was not a good one.
Yeah,
I literally have $30,000 in pending overdrafts in my bank account.
Well, that's very unfortunate, caller, but I don't know what I have to do with that. Because
You're the one who charged me, idiot.
No, it was actually our ex-employee and legal assistant.
I am going to shut my mouth. I am going to shut my mouth and listen for an explanation from you.
Okay.
If I don't have a good explanation, and make it good.
You know what?
Wait, I got it.
No, Franklin Bot, let me explain.
So
Franklin Bot, shut up. Franklin Bot, don't. Franklin Bot.
The person. No, I got it. I know what.
You know what? Fine.
Okay. So when you made the contract, first of all, the dude who made it with you was drunk at the time.
Are you kidding me?
We fired him.
I don't care.
We fired him. And
we fired him.
I don't care if you fired him.
Wait.
Give me back my money.
Caller, shut the fuck up and let us explain.
What kind of operation are you running?
A law firm. Caller.
A law firm and a hotline. You tell people to shut the fuck up.
Yes,
Go fuck yourself, Samuel Carlisle.
No. You know what, caller? You're gonna listen to me for the next couple of minutes, okay?
Minutes?
Yes.
I'm gonna be over there with a fucking iron pipe shoved up your ass in less than 3 minutes if you don't figure this out.
You know what, Franklin Bot? Rearm the church. Rearm the fucking church.
Mr. Fagaroni. We'll see what happens.
Listen, my name is Calvin Spezza. I don't need to hear this shit from you. Fagaroni. Go fuck yourself, Franklin.
Okay,
listen to me, Carlisle.
No, Franklin Bot,
listen
shut
to
the
me
fuck up.
and listen to me closely.
Okay?
I know
Sir,
where
you're
your
going to
office
listen
is.
to me. I know you do. It's public information.
Yeah.
You're going to listen to me. Franklin Bot, shut up.
I am feeling
Franklin, I know.
aggressive.
Franklin Bot, please be quiet. Caller. I am going to go through the files today. Right now, I'm going to have Franklin Bot do it. We are going to drop all of the bills that are owed to you, and we're going to return your money. Okay?
All of it, or I'm going to come over there with a pipe and crack your fucking skull open.
Please don't.
How does that sound? How does that sound?
You know
No, I'll threaten you all I want.
You know what happened to the last guy?
I'm calling you.
No, Franklin Bot, let me.
Good luck tracing
What happened the last time?
Franklin Bot, let me talk.
I gave you a P.O. box registered to a wrong name. I'm a dangerous man, Carlisle.
I'm
now
aware.
listen to me. Listen to me
I
closely.
bet
I
you're
will
so
crack
dangerous.
your fucking skull open. I will make you see your fucking memories of your childhood. You want to see your memories of your childhood on the floor? You want to see that time your dad fucked you in the ass on the floor? You better figure this shit out, or I'm gonna crack your fucking skull open.
Do you have children, caller?
None of your business.
I assume you do. And
I may or may not.
And I assume that you don't want your children to grow up with a father in a jail.
I've been in jail half my life. Listen to me. They got a great mom.
I'll make you.
They got a great mom.
And I assume those kids don't want to grow up without a mother in jail.
Without a mother?
In jail.
Are you brain dead?
Caller, just listen to me.
What's funny?
There's
Explain to me
funny.
what's funny.
There's nothing funny.
What? No. I heard you laugh. Explain to me what's funny.
And I have a cough.
You have a cough. Bullshit. I know what.
There's a virus going around right now. I have a cough.
Oh, so you have coronavirus and you're actively practicing business?
No, I'm not. My law firm is actually closed to the public for the foreseeable
Closed to the
future.
public? What are you talking about? I was just in there a couple of weeks ago. That's why I have $30,000 in charges.
We closed last week, caller.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a virus. I'm gonna give you a virus called my penis in your mouth, you cunt.
Get the
Listen
fuck
to
out,
me.
you piece of
Get the
shit.
money
I'm
to me.
trying to
Get
stay
the money to
fucking
me.
calm. I'm trying to stay
You have
fucking
24
caller.
hours. You have 24 hours before I make
I
your
have 24
children
hours.
fatherless. Figure it out.
I don't even. Caller, don't fucking threaten me. I'm trying to stay calm right now. And, I just got back from a...
Vinny, get a fucking load of this guy. Get
The
a
fuck?
load of this guy. Hey,
Oh.
think we should pay him? You think
Real
we should
fucking
pay him
mature.
a visit? Yeah, I think we should pay him a visit. We're
Real
gonna pay you a
fucking
visit here,
mature.
Carlisle. We're gonna
You are?
no, we're gonna pay you a visit.
Really? I'm looking forward to it. You know where we are?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on fucking down.
Your Windows bulletproof? You might want to install some new Windows.
We actually don't
Go
have any
fuck
Windows.
yourself.
We actually don't
Go
have Windows.
fuck yourself.
Go fuck your fucking asshole. And I stayed calm during that whole thing, Franklin Bot. I
I
stayed
hope he
calm.
knows what happened to the last guy.
You know what? I don't think he does.
Who came here
I don't think he
threatening us.
does. But I'm impressed right now with myself for staying calm that whole time. I can't believe I actually remained calm. Let's move on. Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Robert Carlyle, Carla.
Excuse, okay.
Whatever kids' names these days. Anyways, I'm here
not
to
a kid.
apologize for what I said on my last call.
Franklin Bot, what the fuck was
When
that?
I said, "What the fuck is wrong with you?" Okay, I'm here
There's
to
nothing wrong.
apologize.
Okay.
Okay, appreciate my
Caller,
apology. Last time when I said, "Ooh,
I don't
ooh, I'm
caller.
black," I'm sorry. Okay.
Caller, get the fuck out. We don't appreciate prank calls here on this show. Franklin Bot, let's take another caller, shall we?
Okay.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Why is Robert so much important than anybody else?
Caller, I cannot understand a word that you're saying.
Why is Robert the person that was just calling?
Who's
So
Robert?
important.
Caller, I don't know who Robert is.
Ezekiel.
Who?
The man that was just called.
Caller, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, and I don't appreciate you pranking my show. Get the fuck out.
No.
Franklin Bob, ban that person from our Discord server.
Okay.
Thank you. We're moving on. Hello, caller. You are live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight? Excuse me? Caller, are you there?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, hello.
How are you today, Mr. Carlisle?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm good. My name is Chucklenuts the Clown.
Okay, Mr. the Clown. How can I help you?
I'm calling in because these ladies.
Excuse me?
Claiming that. I'm calling in because these ladies keep claiming I'm doing this prostitution shit or whatever. So they keep. Actually, before I get into it, I have a question. You said you went to India. You said you went to India, right?
Yes, for about a week.
You run into some weird guy named Rajiv Kapoor.
Actually, I did not.
Good.
There's a lot of people named that in India.
He's some tech nerd or some shit. I don't know. No, good because he runs like a prostitution ring full of goats. He's a weirdo.
Oh, that doesn't sound very well. Unfortunately, I can't really do anything to help because that's in India. We're in America.
I know. Whoa. I was just thinking because you mentioned you went to India and Rajiv is there, so I thought I'd...
Look, I don't have any leverage over there.
All right, well, anyway, let me get into my problem.
Okay.
So, all these people keep claiming that I did all this prostitution shit, I've been a pimp, basically, when they're all mistaking me for my cousin, who's also named Chucklenuts the Clown.
You have a cousin named Chucklenuts the Clown, too?
Yeah, there's a lot of Chucklenuts the Clowns.
Okay. So what's your...
Yeah, so I'm being framed for being this fucking pimp.
You're being framed for being a pimp? But your cousin is a real one. Okay. Well, is this happening in America, or is this happening in the United States or India?
United States.
Okay, well, I will represent you in court, caller. It's about time I take a new case.
Yes, I need my piece of shit cousin in prison because he's a piece of shit. He's a fucking...
Yes, please refrain from cursing. We're live on the air. Please refrain from cursing. But, caller, I will represent you in court for $6,000, okay?
All right, but if you screw me over, it's your ass. Lawyers have
I'm not going to. You know, don't.
Yeah, you sound like you are gonna do it.
I'm an honest guy. I'm not going to screw you over. All right, caller, is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, have a good night. All right, Franklin Bot, how about we read some shoutouts?
Okay.
All right, let's been taking calls for a while now, so
Yeah, let's take a break. I think it's getting.
yes, let's read some shoutouts. So our first shoutout is from Vincent610, who said, "Shout out to Samuel, who is going to be my bully victim for the next month. I am not going to accept that. I will not be bullied by anybody." Here's a shout out from Leica, who said, "Shout out to Robert Coomer for killing that Jew Archibald." I don't know what Archibald being Jewish has to do with anything. I don't know what that has to do with anything at all. Chucklenuts the Clown, who I believe just called in actually, said, "Shout out to the good old prostitution ring. Come on down and get yourself some." Okay. Risty says, "Shout out to my Aunt Ruby and her sexy striper moves." Your Aunt Ruby was in the band Striper? Okay.
Or it's like the fish, you know?
Maybe. That's a good possibility. Here's a shout out from Big Chungo, who says, "What's better way to celebrate the return of Legal Hotline than with more awesome music? Check it out. Let's Go Lightning." I'm going to play this on stream right now. Let's see what this is. Okay, it's a song. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. It's not bad. That's it. Got a nice groove to it.
You should like speed through to see if there's anything special.
Let's see. Oh, what the? Okay, you know what? No. Okay, whoever okay, Big Chungo, you posted that. I'm gonna ban you from the server now. Goodbye. Franklin Bob, why did you leave a shout out?
Because it's just something that could use attention. I don't know, just something
Okay, well, Franklin Bot, you said shout out to Crimcast. I listened to it while I tighten my bolts sometime. Okay.
Yeah, when I'm like doing repairs and stuff.
I guess so. Alfredo Franco says, "Shout out to El Deprimido, Sammy, for letting me on board on this wonderful law firm." Oh, and also Alfredo Franco, he's actually our newest legal assistant here at the Carlisle Law Firm. So everybody give him a warm welcome. Now, our next shout out comes from the Nowhere Man. Shout out to Fertiliza's Dirt Service. Jack Hoffman says, "Shout out to my best friend Phil Myers for always being there for me. It's always great to have a friend like that." Franklin Ba, you're kind of like that for me.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I appreciate you. Our next shout out comes from the Gatekeeper, who says, "Shout out to Robert Coomer committing murder. I will be watching." I'm really not familiar with this case. Is this recent? It must be. Here's a shout out from Risky, who says, "Shout out to my uncle with General Warts." Risky, I don't know if you're listening right now, but who is General Warts?
Yeah.
That's World War II veteran? Oh, and then Franklin Bot, you actually replied to him saying, "Who is General Warts?" So you're
yeah,
right.
I just wanted to know, just in case.
Okay, Darth Retardist says, "Shout out to Gain Hickers and George Floyd. Rest in peace, George. Your death crushes our hearts more than it did your neck." That is awful. And I'm banning you from the server. I am banning you from the server. You are banned from the server. Oh, God. Big Chungo says, "Shout out to that fat G-Got Archibald Morningtree doing the world a favor by going off the Golden Gate Bridge. Rest in piss and rot in hell, you British C-word. Have some music to celebrate." Okay, I don't really want to play another song, but I guess I could. Let's see what this is.
Oktoberfest!
What is... Oh, Jesus. No, okay, is that what kids listen to these days?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, well, the Nowhere Man left another shout out. Shout out to my Nidge a pimp named Slickback. Okay. let's just move on to some more callers. We'll read more shout-outs later.
I think it's time to just
let's do it.
Keep it going.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Samuel Carlisle has a small penis. Poop.
No. Fuck you.
Nigger.
Get the fuck out. Get out. No. Disconnect him. Disconnect him. Thank you.
He said the N-word.
I heard.
That is racist.
I heard.
You can't say the N-word.
No, you can't. Oh, God. Okay. Franklin Bot, tonight's show has been fucking terrible.
Time.
And you know what? For most of it, up until then, I remained calm, and my calm streak is finished. My calm streak is finished. No, my calm streak is finished because now I'm angry. I'm angry, Franklin Bot.
Do you want to take another break?
No, I don't. We're pulling somebody else.
Okay. Let's see. Let's do.
Hello, you're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hello there, Samuel Carlisle, attorney at law. Hello. How's the grieving process for Mahmood?
No, what the fuck do you want?
Mahmood had a beautiful face. I just want to say hi.
Why are
the walrus.
Why are you
the walrus
fucking taunting me?
blessings. I'm not taunting you.
Why
I'm trying to give you my blessings from the walrus.
I don't want your fucking blessings. Pierce,
let it be.
No,
let it be.
Caller.
Let it be.
Pierce.
Let it
Pierce,
be.
shut the fuck up.
The walrus will give you blessings. Let it be.
Franklin Bot, trace the fucking call.
I can't.
This man killed Mahmood.
I tried.
Trace it.
I tried last time.
Trace it.
I still can't do it. Just because I was like 2 weeks away.
Don't.
You see, you are not going to be tracing me. Because I've seen better tracings on a child's drum.
The fuck are
you will never trace me. For I am not traceable. I am blessed by the walrus.
I wish fucking Gyro were here.
Oh. You wish? I bet you also wish that Gyro was your little play toy.
Get the fuck out, Pierce. Don't ever call back in. I don't want to hear from you ever.
Clean your language.
Get the fuck out.
Clean your language.
Franklin Butt.
Yeah.
Killed Mahmood.
Yeah.
Killed Mahmood. And
he did do that. That is something that he did.
He's rubbing it in now, and that's not okay.
Yeah, it's the same. For some reason, everybody talking about that crap, I just can't trace their call. It's impossible.
The walrus this, the walrus that. I don't care anymore. Okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
We're moving on.
Yes.
Let's take the next caller. Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hola, Sammy Franklin Bart. How are you? ¿Cómo estás?
Hello. Hello, Alfredo. Everybody, this is Alfredo Franco, our newest legal assistant here at the law firm.
Let's see. It's a great pleasure for you to bring me on your wonderful law firm.
Alfredo, would you mind, try to talk without your accent? I know it's hard for you to control, but maybe I don't want to subtitle. I don't want to subtitle you. I don't want to subtitle you.
He said thank you for being on the live stream.
Yes,
letting him be
I'm
on
very
here.
bad with accents, and I need subtitles.
No, it's okay. I mean, it's just how I talk.
Yeah.
Okay. Since this episode is about prostitution, or where I'm originally from, prostitution is not illegal, but with a few exceptions like brothels and pimping.
Okay.
I do have a question for Sam, if you don't mind.
Okay, what's your question, Alfredo?
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. Have you ever buying someone with big titties and cork? Someone who's 6'4", long brown hair, beautiful blue eyes, great total package? Have you paid for it?
Franklin Bach, can you please subtitle Alfredo?
He said something about a big, beautiful person that was 6'4", with big boobs. I heard something about cocaine, and they had long brown hair and beautiful blue eyes.
I don't think I've ever encountered somebody like that, but maybe one day I will. It sounds magical.
Well, I mean, have you done it? I mean, I hear rumors that you're into, you know.
Oh, he was asking if you've had sex with this person.
Oh, no, I have not. I don't know why you want to know that. I don't know why you're trying to get me to talk about that stuff on the air, but.
Where is this the show subject? I gotta, get in it.
Alfredo, do you have a genuine legal issue right now?
Oh, excuse me?
Do you have a genuine legal issue you need help with, or should you just... frankly, Alfredo, I think you should just get back to work.
No, you have to answer my question first.
That's not what I hired you for. That's not what I hired you for.
Ryan,
why don't you go back to filling out some paperwork, Alfredo? Okay?
Fine.
Get back to work. And that's why I don't hire minorities. Anyway, Franklin Bot, let's read a couple more shoutouts. Okay, here's a shout out from Big Chungo again, who says, shout out to Disney Grow President and the fact that money grows on trees. I don't think that's true. Risty says, shout out to my man that's in the Wizard Clan. I don't know what that is. Okay. The Nowhere Man says, shout out to Detective Phil Myers, who will be calling in since Samuel is soliciting prostitutes. I have not been doing that. I have not. I don't appreciate that accusation, and I'm banning you from the Discord server now. Golden Spider Monkey says, shout out to the lady of the night who took off from Ritual when the cops showed up at the graveyard. Never have I seen a woman throw on clothing and take off so quickly. Crazy.
What?
I don't know. Kyle Poger says, please help me find my father. He went to Home Depot for some beers and he hasn't come back in a month. And there's a missing poster here. Let me see if I can put this up on stream.
Why would you go to Home Depot for beer?
Okay, here's a missing poster that Kyle Poger's posted. Brutus G. Ringo. Last seen at the Home Depot in Stanford, California. Seen wearing aviators, a pair of blue jeans, and his favorite Dale Earnhardt jacket. Franklin, you don't fucking
Stanford, California.
You don't fucking think, Franklin. You don't think this is. Remember, like 2 weeks ago.
The Dale that's been calling in is not the real Dale.
Yes. Do you think this is him?
I don't know. How would his name be? Poggers.
You know what?
Aren't we based out of the attic of the Home Depot in Stanford, California?
Yes.
I haven't seen anybody like that.
Okay, well, after the show, do a background check on that name and see anything, if you can find anything. But for now, let's just take another caller.
Yep.
Hello, caller. You are live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Hi, Samuel. Quick question.
Okay.
It's a personal question, if you don't mind.
Depends on what it is.
Okay. So, why does it sound like you snort cocaine and suck dick?
Wait, excuse me?
There's no what?
Why does it sound like you snort cocaine and suck dick?
I don't... You know what, caller? I don't appreciate that accusation, so fuck you and get out. I am so calm today. I'm so calm today.
Yeah.
Let's take another caller.
Yes.
Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Samuel Carlisle. I called in early. You weren't here.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. I forgot to relay the message. Sorry.
Yeah.
Dale.
I wanted to tell you a story about...
Dale, shut up. Dale, can you
about how
Dale,
your wife when I was younger.
Dale, shut up and let me talk. Let me talk. Dale?
Shut the fuck up, Samuel Carlisle. You don't speak when I'm speaking.
Dale, let me talk. Is your real name Brutus G. Ringo Poggers?
Brutus Gringo? I know
your
him.
name? Is that
No.
Dale? Don't lie to me. I know you're an imposter. I know you're an imposter.
I'm a 7-time world champion in NASCAR.
I don't know how that's possible.
No,
The real
Dale
Earnhardt's
missing.
The real Dale Earnhardt is missing, and Brutus G.
Well,
Ringo
right here,
Poggers is too. Call Dale. If you're an imposter, please tell me.
I'm not an imposter.
You know what, Dale? It's obvious you're not going to budge. You're a very stubborn guy.
What if you're an imposter? You're not the real Samuel Carlisle.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. I'm the real
We're
Samuel
not doing
Carlisle.
this again. We're not doing this again. Get the fuck out. Fuck. Franklin Bot, I'm the real Samuel Carlisle.
I'm the real Samuel Carlisle.
No, Franklin Bot, you're not.
I'm not.
No, you are an AI. Image after
Yeah, I
Franklin
know.
Rosenstein.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we're going to read a couple more shout-outs and take a few more callers. Here's a shout-out from Pierce Broxton. Last person I'd like to hear from. Shout-out to Mahmood the femboy who got killed, but I'm not going to read that, Pierce. Don't rub it in anymore. Here's another shout-out from Risty who says, shout-out to my brother Quaves. He got the finest bitches. Caves. He got the finest bitches.
Hello?
Hey, boss.
Yes, hello.
Boss.
Oh,
me.
yes, Cornelius. Yes, how are you?
Yes. I got a question, Carlisle.
Okay.
I've been screening these callers.
Yes, you've
Why
been doing
is
a pretty terrible job of it.
No, they call in, they first insult me, and sometimes they just, they
So
will
why are
be
you
all
letting them
serious,
in?
and then they'll call in, and
Why
then
are you
they'll
letting
start
them
insulting
in?
you.
Why are you letting them in if they insult you?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't
I
know?
swear to God, I'm hanging them up.
We hired you for a reason.
Franklin Bot, I'm telling you, we should have just got the call screening to be automated.
That's why you can't trust Australians.
Yeah, I thought he was from New Zealand, but
I don't know who he is.
No, my parents are from Australia. I am from, you know where I'm from. I'm from New York.
then okay. But Cornelius, you've been doing a pretty shit job of call screening. Don't make me reconsider this offer I gave you, okay?
All right. Sorry, boss.
Look, I'm disconnecting you. Go back to call screening.
All right.
Go back to doing what you were doing.
All right.
All right, we're taking some more callers.
Okay.
And then we're going to end a little bit early tonight.
Oh.
Because we've actually been going for about an hour and 12 minutes already. But we're going to take a few more callers, and then we're going to end for the night. Hello, caller. You're on the air. Hello, caller. Can you hear me?
Sir or ma'am?
You have 10 seconds before I disconnect you. Okay, caller. You're off the air. Goodbye. Let's take somebody else. Hello, caller. You're live on the legal hotline. How can we help you tonight?
Yes. Good evening, gentlemen. My name is General Wirtz. I'm the uncle of Christy. I hope my nephew.
That's who he was talking about. Okay.
General Wirtz.
Hello, General Wirtz. It's an honor. Thank you for
Indeed,
your service.
and thank you for for providing justice to those who need it. You're a good man,
that.
Samuel.
You're a good man too, General Wirtz.
Anyways, I hope my nephew hasn't been causing trouble for you here at Log Forum.
No, he's been pretty cool lately.
He's been okay. You know, very quiet, self-contained. I don't know why I said self-contained, but very quiet, very reserved. He's a nice kid.
Oh, that's good to hear. Anyways, back to the legal topic. when I was fighting in their war,
okay,
I picked up this young Vietnamese prostitute.
Okay.
And,
now, before you continue, I'm afraid my jurisdiction only lies within the USA. Did you bring this Vietnamese woman back to the US with you?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
And, I took her back to my home, but things started to get a little bit weird.
Okay. How?
Well, she started saying things about a walrus.
Okay.
Yes,
I've had experience with this before.
You have?
Yes, quite a lot actually. Franklin Bot, would you like to explain?
There's someone claiming to be part of the Walrus cult, and they killed one of our lawyers. And also, the god they pray to may or may have not killed someone else.
Yes. And we believe there's a cult now led by... caller, did your Vietnamese friend know of a person named Pierce Broxton?
Not
Caller.
Pierce. God, no, not him. Not him.
So you're aware of who exactly
Wait,
is he?
who is Pierce?
Pierce isn't right in the head. He
killed one of my lawyers, I could tell.
Horrible things.
He, killing one of my lawyers.
He didn't, not only your lawyers, but he killed the Vietnamese prostitute. Wait, what's that?
What?
Wait.
Oh, no.
What's that? No, please, no.
God damn it. Oh, God. Oh,
General
God.
Wards.
Is he dead? General Wards, are you... I think he's dead.
Oh, my God.
Oh, God. Okay, I think we should... I don't think... That wasn't good. That wasn't good.
Yeah, I was kind of... Hey, I'm here.
Let's just... You know what, Franklin Bot? I want you to do some research on... I want you to do some research on Pierce, okay?
Okay.
Please.
I don't know how much I'm going to be able to find. He's very elusive.
If you could find anything, just let me know.
Yeah, I'll definitely...
Anyway, I think it's time we end the show. For now, so I can go deal with some stuff. Anyway, everybody, have a wonderful...
Yeah, fuck you, dude, you douchebag.
Oh, God. Oh, no.